Setting up a flash, I was thinking that we could have it as a fill light from the shadow side. Step to your... Actually, let's take step towards there. There we go. And still a bit more to there. That's good. For the longest of time, I've been shooting with Sony. But now after watching too many goddamn Peter McKinnon videos, I've started to shoot with Leica.
Yo, what up?
We have another project coming up. Perhaps by now you've already seen the pictures we took just outside with the white blanket, the duvet cover we had as a backdrop. Now we're going to go to a pretty exciting location. It's again the advantage of packing everything like this is you can find it easily.
Yeah.
Do you need the Q2? Well,
It's right
lucky
here.
for you, it's right here.
Right here.
Do you need an on-camera flash?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
it just happens to be there.
Yeah.
So I mean, everything's there. Or the cinematic rig. We're paying for f1.7, so we're gonna use f1.7. That's good. And that's good. And we're gonna open up to, probably let's try f2. Ooh. I'm gonna oh, that's good. Hold the edge of your cap up. Yep, good. And
oh, that's rocking.
But should we, for the shits and giggles, put up a flash as a fill light? Why not? It's gonna be so good. Now let's unload the cinematic box and take the light stand from there. That's good. Setting up a flash, I was thinking that we could have it as a fill light. This kind of a reflector, and then we have a shoot-through diffuser. Kato joo. Ei tossa oo. Niin sä sit menit noin kauas. Joo, NYT. No. Tollasta saatiin. No on.